Welcome to SATX. Today's question: 0.6 to the power 2x plus 4 equals to 27 by 125 to the power minus 3. Very interesting math. First, we have to simplify 0.6. This one we can write 6 by 10 to the power 2x plus 4. And this 27 and 125 we can make like 27 we can write 3 to the power 3, and this 125 we can write 5 to the power 3, and here whole to the power minus 3. Okay, now 6 by 10 we can divide by 2, so here is 3 and here is 5, so this is 3 by 5 to the power 2x plus 4, and here is 3 to the power 3 and 5 to the power 3. The common power is 3. We know x to the power y z, we can write x to the power y and to the power z. This is a similar thing. So same, this one to this one we can write like this. Therefore we can write 3 by 5 to the power minus 9. How? Look, 3 to the power 3, then to the power minus 3, we can write 3 to the power minus 9. Similar, here is 5 to the power 3 and to the power minus 3, so ultimately it will become 5 to the power minus 9. So this is 3 by 5 to the power 9, and here is 3 by 5 to the power 2x plus 4. Now look, the both base are same. We know once base are same, it means a to the power m equal a to the power n. Here base are same, so power will be equal. It means m equals to n. Now 3 by 5 and 3 by 5 common base, so power will be equal. It means 2x plus 4 equals to minus 9. Now both side we can subtract by 4, so 2x plus 4 minus 4 equals to minus 9 and minus 4. So this plus 4 and minus 4 out, we can write 2x equals to minus 13. Now we can divide both sides by 2, so 2x by 2 equals to minus 13 by 2. So this 2 and 2 divide, it will become 1, so x equals to minus 13 by 2. So 13 by 2 is an improper fraction. If anybody want, they can divide like 13 by 2. So this is 6 times 2 is a 12. 13 minus 12 is a 1. So our answer is minus what? 6 1 by 2, and this is our answer. This one also answer. So this is our video. I hope you understand. Here we get x equals to minus 6 1 by 2, and these types of video is very important for any kinds of competitive examination, not only Math Olympiad. It's also helping 6 to 9 algebraic expression. So please try at your home, and if you think this video is helping you, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.